Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for June 10th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair gapped up at the open from previous Friday's close. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as and hit resistance around 79.95, possibly going down and hitting support around 79.09. Now the Euro USD gapped up from Friday's close 140 pips. At the open, we are looking for that to retrace, potentially going as high as 127.68, possibly as low as 123.70. Look for some resistance around 126.81, and look for some support around 12500. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair gapped up as well, but not quite as much, about 43 pips at the open. It has moved a little bit higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 156.37. Possibly as low as 153.46. Look for some resistance around 15600, and look for some support around 15400. Now the US Swiss, this pair gapped down 105 pips at the open of the session. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.9702, possibly as low as 0.9402. Look for some resistance around 0.9650, and look for some support around 0.9465. Now, as far as news announcements go, we do have the Chinese releasing their loan amounts, their new loan amounts for May. Consensus on that one is that it has edged higher from 681.8 billion up to 700 billion. No time given as far as when that is going to be released during Monday's session. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you take a look at these gaps are sizable gaps. They are gapping against the long-term trend. Long-term trend's up. We've had a pullback. We've gapped down. What I'm looking for it to do is move higher all the rest of the week and close higher for a sizable profit. I do believe we'll see that, just waiting for that to occur. Same thing with the Euro USD. I would give it a good amount of distance, 100, 150 pips or more, as far as a little bit of room to move, but I'm looking for it to retrace to the downside. Using a 1-to-1, you would have 140 pips on this one, which, interestingly enough, would bring you right about here, right in this range, right there at 127.78, and look for it to move down. Definitely retracing back to the Friday's close. I could see it even go lower. If the trend starts to continue, at that point we could see very easily, a 350 or more week if it ran all the rest of the week to the downside and the week closed down. So definitely something to look at and potentially take action on. Well, that wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.